Hey y'all, it's your girl Trish. Welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new here, welcome. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys a Victoria's Secret haul. I will be giving you guys a Victoria's Secret haul of some of the new things that they came out with, and just some things that I placed on some order that I placed online during their I want to say it was either $6.95 or $5.95 sale. So I just wanted to show you guys those little goodies there. And yeah, please do not leave here without subscribing to this channel, giving this video a big like, and leaving your girl a nice comment down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys here. So I'll just get into the few things that I picked up from the new collection. I only got some stuff from the Heat collection. The other collection I didn't really care for. I wasn't really like, not saying that it just smelled bad or whatever, but it just, you know, it didn't impress me. So yeah, I picked up 3 of the scents out of the 4 from the Heat collection, and I just wanted to show you guys and give you guys my little thoughts on it really quick. So my first one I got here is Velvet Heat. Of course, I got the spray and the lotion. This one has notes of sugared iris, golden amber. So we're gonna give this a quick spray test. This one just smells like, it just smells sweet. It has like a sweet amber scent. So you know how amber is like really warm, and like it's really warm and vibrant, but with the sugar iris, it gives it like a sweet amber scent to it, and it just smells really good. So yeah, I definitely really love the packaging, especially on the lotions. All of the lotions has like its own unique like packaging to it. It's super cute in my opinion. The second one I got here is a Pure Seduction Heat. I'm usually not a fan of Pure Seduction, but this scent is really like giving. I really love the way this one smells. And y'all, look at the packaging. Super cute, like I said, unique. This one has notes of sparkling raspberry and sun-kissed hibiscus. So this one smells really sweet and tropical and fruity. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. I love hibiscus notes. I really love hibiscus notes, and with the raspberry put together, it just smells so like good. It smells so juicy and like just vibrant and tropical. And then the last one that I got from the Heat line is Bare Vanilla. You guys know Bare Vanilla is one of my favorite scents, so I tend to I tend to like Bare Vanilla in like most collections, if that makes sense. So this is Heat. This one here has notes of spiced mango and solar coconuts. This one smells like a coconut mango. It smells like a juicy coconut mango. Really tropical. It smells really good. I can say like this collection kind of gives me tropical vibes, like just, you know, happy tropical vibes. Like I said, this one just smells like a juicy coconut and mango put together. So yes, so that's it for the Heat collection. And now I'm going to get into my stuff that I got from the sale. And I did place my order online, so this is my bag here. So we're just gonna cut this bad boy open. I really hate how this stuff comes in like separate boxes. All right y'all, so I got everything open 10 years later. So yeah, we just gonna get into everything that I picked up. So the first thing I got is just the lotion for Coconut Passion. I do own the body wash and the up spray, so I wanted to get the body lotion. And then I also picked up the body wash for Amber Romance. I do have the lotion and the spray, and I wanted to go ahead and complete that set and get this. And I really do love these body washes. And then I'm just gonna get into the few sets that I got. I got the Velvet Petals set. So I picked up the body wash, I picked up the spray, and then I also picked up the lotion. Velvet Petals has actually been one of the scents I've really been liking. The one I've been using a lot is Velvet Petals Radiance. I really like that scent, so I wanted to get the original Velvet Petals. Love this one so much, so I had to pick the whole set up. And then the next little set that I have here is the Strawberries and Champagne. I've never owned this one. It's an online exclusive, so I really wanted to get this one. This is my first my first online order from Victoria's Secret. I always shop in store Victoria's Secret, so some of this stuff I just wanted to go ahead and get. Strawberry champagne smells like a strawberry champagne. It smells really, really bubbly and kind of like a rosé in a sense. Really, really nice. Really, really bubbly. The strawberry smell like bound, it's not like right like in your face, and I really, really like that. The notes is wild strawberry, sparkling champagne, and then of course it says forever bubbly at the bottom. So like I said, it smells really, really bubbly and like, you know, kind of like rosé-ish in a sense. So I got the lotion and the spray. And then the last set that I got is Paraglase. This is the scent I really, really wanted to get my hands on. So I'm so happy to get it. I did get the lotion and the spray. This one has notes of sugared pear and dewy melon. Let's see what she smells like. Ooh. I love the blend of the melon and the pear together. It smells really green but sweet in a sense and fresh. I love it. I love it. So that is it for my little Victoria's Secrets haul, you guys. Let me know what, like, since you've been loving from the new collection, and just let me know, like I said, let me know your favorite one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.